Hola amigos, Eli here with R&J Barbecue. And as we travel through every different nation that's going through the World Cup, we landed on Argentina.
What a bowl that is. Messi on the turn, options either side. Lionel Messi, there's your goal.
So we're gonna make some Argentine asado style short ribs with chimichurri. Vamos!
Let's get started on our chimichurri. We're going to take 4 cloves of garlic and finely dice these. That looks good. We're going to go ahead and throw it into our bowl and start working on our parsley. This is 1.5 cups of parsley, roughly, and we're going to finely chop this. Now that it's finely chopped, let's go ahead and add it into our bowl. And now incorporating the rest of the ingredients. We're going to start off with 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a half a teaspoon of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Now that that is all together, we're going to go ahead and incorporate these. Now let's start working on our short ribs. These are very thin pieces of meat. So we're just going to lightly coat this with our salt, pepper, and garlic mixture.
All right, so we got our chimichurri done. We're letting that melt for 15 minutes to get the flavors to really soak in. And we have seasoned our short ribs. So now we're gonna go ahead and head out to the grill and put these bad boys on. Vamos!
We're laying these down. We got the coals nice and hot. It's not going to take a long cook for these.
All right, we had these going for around 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and give them a flip. We have the nice thunder in the distance. So gotta hurry this up. Looking awesome. You see that? So we just finished our Argentine asado style short ribs with our chimichurri, and I think it would be enough to make Lionel Messi himself blush. So let's go ahead and give it a taste. So good. Yeah, so good. Simple ingredients, quick to make. Just throw it over. If you have a gas grill, you can use that. If you're using a charcoal grill, you can use that as well. I like the charcoal grill. I like the little smoke that comes from the fat dripping off the coals. Hits the meat. It just gives it that extra flavor. So if you enjoyed that, please like, share, and subscribe, and tell me what team you're rooting for the World Cup.